Gonnosfanadiga is a place with a very significant name. Its root, Gon, means hill and can be found only in the names of some Sardinian places, as old as their very origins. The village is located on the slopes of the Linas massif. There are innumerable possibilities to remain enthralled by the variety of natural landscapes while passing through the many paths leading to the highest peaks. Nature reigns supreme here with its colours and fragrances and the infinite variety of its shape. The many paths lead to such places as the Peripipera Municipal Park, Sardinia's largest, where holly oaks and oak trees that are hundreds of years old alternate with the renovated buildings that were once used at the molybdenate mine. Other paths, such as the one leading to the country chapel of Santa Severa, also lead directly into town. There are numerous archaeological sites that tell stories of thousands of years ago, such as the tomb of giants called Sa Gruta di Santo Giovanni, located in San Cosimo. This extraordinary monument, one of a kind on the island for dimension, is positioned in a deeply impressionistic context. The old town centre still preserves corners and monuments of ancient mystique. The churches of Santa Barbara and Sacro Cuore, Church of the Sacred Heart, and the oldest of all, the Chapel of Santa Severa, to which the community is particularly devoted. The many fountains, streets, and the imposing flight of steps leading towards the hills. Gonnos also tells of flavours and fragrances of the peasant culture and an ancient land that is proud of its ancient tradition of manufacturing the renowned, excellent extra virgin olive oil, as well as olives and innumerable varieties of bread.